Of course, to my partner here, thank you so much because from Max wouldn't be Max kung wala yung Dave niya. So, thank you.
And of course, thank you so much kasi ang daming moments na hindi ko rin alam kung paano ko gagawin yung mga eksena kasi I was so drained already. Ang dami nating eksena per day, mga sequences. Tsaka ano yan, minsan sobrang saya. Tas next, iyak. Tas saya ulit, tas iyak. It's not a joke, but you know, you made it well worth it. And thank you as well for being an amazing Max Payne.
You know, with Donnie naman, every day he just wows me. Just puts me in awe na every day, mas napapatunayan niya mas napapatunayan niya kung gaano siya kahusay sa ginagawa niya. Wow! Ikaw yan. Kung gaano siya kahusay sa ginagawa niya, sa craft niya. And just how he really is serious with what he's doing. So yun. So every day he surprises me naman.
Wow. What about you?
She's always full of surprises sa lahat ng mga eksena. Parang never siya nagkakaroon ng time na same lang yung atake niya. I feel like she always tries her best to do something different. And that's something I really appreciate. Even if I've been doing continuous projects with her, nakikita ko talaga na even with our conversations, how can we do this differently? And paano namin may bibigay yung ibang Max and Dave naman. Pero sila pa rin, pero iba naman. Hindi yung usual na binibigay natin.